boy, do I need a shave. Wait a sec. I don't have a beard. Wow! It's a million-year-old cave woodpecker frozen in ice.
Congratulations, Mr. Woodpecker. You have found your earliest known relative, the cave woodpecker. This is the archaeological find of the millennium.
I'll be rich and famous. Woohoo! But how am I gonna get you to the museum? Better get a pecking. There goes my fame and fortune! I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm trying to help you.
Yumba, yumba.
Food? Fine. Just stop clobbering the wallpaper, you Neander freak.
Tickets, please.
Oh, no. I don't have a ticket for you. You gotta hide. One ticket for Woody Woodpecker, traveling alone, by himself.
May I help you stow that suitcase?
I'll just store it up here. Good night, steward. That does it, Buster. Hey, good idea. Let's get you into some duds so you'll blend in. Not bad. Now it's my turn. Now let's go eat.
Go eat! Go eat! Go eat!
This guy better make me really rich.
Tickets, please.
Oops. Shh. Let's get out of here.
Shh! Let's get out of here.
Mr. Woodpecker, what a surprise! I thought you were traveling alone.
This is my uncle. Oh, yeah, hey, Unc's from a very foreign country. Very friendly woodpeckers there, and very clean.
Oh, how utterly charmed.
Charmed.
I've been all over the world, and I've never had my hand licked before. May I? May I? Everyone simply must meet your uncle. Toodles for now, Mr. Woodpecker.
Now look what you...
May I? Yeah, sure. I'll never win a prize.
Time to go, Unc. We won! Look! We won! Sweet! Now, we're going to dinner. You behave. Huh? Everything's a game with you, isn't it?
Everything's a game. Everything's a game.
Oh, yes! I couldn't agree more. And doesn't it get so tiresome playing by the rules all the time?
Sweet.
Ooh, you are a breath of fresh air, Woodpecker. Oh, let's eat our dessert first and have dinner after. You social saboteur, you.
You social saboteur, you.
Are you two nuts?
Oh, this is fun.
Oh, this is fun! Hey, break it up! You're gonna get us kicked off this train!
You! I knew you were trouble!
And stay off this train!
May I see your ticket, Woodpecker?
He's with me, steward. Put his ticket, put his dinner, put this whole darn dining car on my tab. Then clean this place up at once so we can do it all over again.
My wild woodpecker, gone! Oh, I'd like to take this club and... Wait a minute.
Your Cave Woodpecker Club will make a fine addition to our museum, Mr. Woodpecker.
Is that all it's worth?
Well, we do find a lot of these clubs in our digs. However, if you should ever come across one of these, you'd be absolutely set for life.
What a cold Christmas this turned out to be, especially in the Arctic regions. One thing's for sure, Santa's got it made in the shade this year. The jolly old elf's toy delivery route will take him around the world, including stops in warm spots like the Bahamas, Saint-Tropez, and Bora Bora. Guess we'd all like to ride along with him this Christmas. Santa makes the list, but as head elf of this here workshop, it is my Christmas duty to check it twice. Naughty, naughty, nice. Why, looky here. Little Robbie gets a paddle ball. Eye-hand coordination never was my strong suit. The great thing about this toy is that it feels so good when you stop. I better get back to work if and I want to be Santa's exclusive ride-along helper this year. Now there, little fella. Santa's got a rule against peeking at presents before Christmas. Yup, I'm sorry, but you gotta make like you're under the mistletoe and kiss off. Huh? Ouch! I'm telling you for the last time, this here sack is not for peekers. I'm gonna send this penguin all the way to springtime. Yow! The holiday season is not the best time to take up running.
Oh, Smedley! Smedley! Smedley, where are you? Now, Smedley, there's no time to lay about on the job. There's work to be done. You need to finish up the gift list while I get ready for my midnight ride.
Aye, Mr. C. Right away, sir. I gotta work extra diligent like now so's I can get to ride along with Santa Claus. Doggy, check. Aw, ain't he cuter than a bug's ear? Ducky, check. Kinda reminds me of Aunt Mabel's Thanksgiving dinner. Not nearly enough stuffing. Penguin? Looks like I got me a misfit toy. This here's what we elves call an occupational hazard. You are hankering to be numero uno on Santa's naughty list, aren't you? this here is one finely crafted airplane. Yes, sir. With my attention to detail, Santa's sure to pick me as this year's ride-along elf helper. Usually, it's the tree that gets trimmed, not the elf. Ding, ding, ding. I'll ground that penguin for sure. Whoa! I say, whoa! Uh-oh. In your face, penguin. My abashed apologies, sir.
Smedley, what have I told you about playing with the toys? They're for the good boys and girls. Now, please, get back to work.
If that little penguin thinks he's got the best of this elf, he's barking up the wrong chimney. So, he wants to get in this bag, does he? Well, the only sure way to stop a penguin is chemistry. If I whip me up here some super sticky glue, I'll trap him like a fly in molasses. Tree sap, icky goo, pus and stuff. Chewing gum. Nitroglycerin. Ooh.
Smedley, I want to thank you for all your hard work this Christmas, but you look so tired. Take the rest of the night off. Ho, 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 ho.
But I...
Ho, 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 ho.
Huh? Wait, Santa, wait! Make sure you give that chili nothing but cold for Christmas. Whoa! You hear me? Nothing but cold, hard cold.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
It's another great skiing exhibition, folks. The great Swedish skiing superstar is just about to break the world's record.
Oh, goody, goody. I love skiing, yeah. Nothing in the world gives me so much joy. What do you think you are doing?
Wondering who would watch an old-fashioned sport like skiing.
Hey, was watching it.
Oh, so you're old-fashioned.
Get your hands off of me. You better watch it, Woodpecker. Skiing is the sport of my fatherland.
More like the sport of your grandfatherland. Snowboarding's where it's at.
Yeah, well, skiing's the greatest sport.
Snowboarding.
Skiing.
I still say snowboarding's the best.
Can't decide on the best method to get down a frozen mountain? Then you should sign up for the Inertiathon, the all-out freestyle race to the bottom of Mount Incline Plain. It's the downhill experience of a lifetime. What's in it for you? Well, the first to reach the bottom wins $50, a year's supply of cornmeal, and a firm handshake.
This will settle it once and for all, you bet. I challenge you to the race.
You're on.
Well, here we are with two lively contestants who hope to settle the debate of which is better.
Skiing!
Snowboarding.
Although there's some folk who stick to the old standby, tobogganing.
Hiya, buddy.
Tobogganing!
Well, I guess this little difference of opinion will be settled on the slopes. Racers, to your marks.
Hey, Wally, your boots untied.
Hold my poles, Woodpecker.
Get set.
Woodpecker,
my poles.
Here you go. Cheese.
Hiya, buddy.
What are you looking at, loser?
Jiminy. I need some ski bags.
If he wants to stick to skiing, I'll make him stick, but good. This glue will do the trick.
Skiing I will go, skiing I will go. I will beat the woodpecker and make him eat my snow.
Hiya, buddy.
Whoa! With moves like that, you should try snowboarding, Wally.
I'm a skier. I show them a thing or two. Well, at least I landed safely.
Sure showed that too, Planker. Man, did I make a wrong turn?
Hiya, buddy.
Thanks, pal. Let's see Wally get through that.
Oh, Ogly Mowgli. Moguls are my specialty.
Woodpecker!
See you later, Wally.
Yeah, hello? This is Wally. Remember that favor you said you owed me? Well, I want the woodpecker taken care of. You know what I mean? Consider it done. Ah, Swedish meatballs. Time to meet your maker, woodpecker. Get it? Meet your maker. I crack myself up sometimes.
Oh my gosh, Swedish hitman. Oh yeah?
Bye-bye.
Hey, how come they're laughing?
Hiya, buddy.
Oh, goody. There's the finish line.
Another great toboggan victory! How does tobogganing compare with skiing and snowboarding?
I told you! The world's greatest sport is tobogganing! Nothing higher! Nothing closer to perfection! How many times do I have to tell you? Can't you people get it through your heads? Tobogganing rules! Oh, it's my purpose in life.
Come on already. I gotta see Santa. Watch it. Excuse me. Look out, please. Hey, kid. Hurry home. Your mom's baking cookies. Hey, Santa. Look, we're both busy guys, so here's what I want.
No fair! fair. We've been waiting here since Thanksgiving. Yeah, no fair.
Woody Woodpecker? The one who lives in a tree house and goes, ha 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 ha.
Yeah, so?
Mr. Woodpecker, may I call you Woody? Our records show you've been more than a little self-centered this year. Therefore, we're thinking something along the lines of, well, coal this Christmas. Furthermore, because of bad behavior, we'll be repossessing your gifts for the past 5 years. Have a Merry Christmas!
Oh, it can't be. No Christmas gifts. What am I gonna do? I got it. If I videotape myself doing kind deeds, I'm sure to get right back on Santa's good list. Sometimes you gotta make good deeds happen. Well, what do you know? Looks like my good friend Wally's fence is broken. I took this board off my own house. Ooh, now the cold wind whips through and chills me to the bone. But nothing is too much trouble for my pal Wally, especially at Christmas. Santa, the more I thought about it, the more I realized the real spirit of Christmas is not having any boundaries between neighbors. Santa, I make it my duty to clear Ms. Meanie's walkway whenever it snows. No way I'm hand shoveling that snow. Are you kidding me? It'd take all day.
Got a delivery from Miss Meanie.
Just a sec. Oh, a delivery, you say? Why, it's a good neighborly thing to care for your friends' packages when they aren't home.
Thanks, neighbor.
Don't mention it. Oh no, Miss Minnie's tree. Back, I say. Give me my tree, you maniac most maker. Oh no. Won't Miss Meanie be happy? She won't have to worry about recycling her tree after Christmas. You know, Santa, Wally just loves Christmas lights, so I thought I'd surprise him with these. Ooh. Oh, yeah, I'll have these back in a flash. Hey, what are friends for? Ta-da! Fire! Oh no! I burnt down Wally's house. No, this can't be.
Hi, remember me? We met earlier. Woof. This idea, it's not working for you.
But,
Woody, my friend, all you've done is try and look good so you can get more presents. And trust me, this doesn't make you look good.
no, Charlie, wait.
Take it up with the big guy. He'll be here in 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Woohoo! new? Hey, Santa! Over here! Hey, big guy! It's me, Woody!
Ho, 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 ho! Oh, pull out! Oh!
Santa!
You saved me. Woody?
I guess I kind of stuck my neck in where it didn't belong, Santa.
Ooh, but your heart was in the right place. That was the most selfless act of bravery I've ever seen. Ooh, you know, looks like I may have been wrong about you all year long. Have a Merry Christmas, Woody.
Wowie! Santa's demand! Oh, boy! Merry Christmas, Santa! Woo-hoo! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Ho, 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 ho! Ho, ho, ho,
You're out of here, you dirty buzzard! Go sponge off somebody else, you freeloader! If I ever see you again, I don't know what I'll do!
That does it. I gotta find me a new dope I can con. Aha! Perfect. When the sucker who owns this heap starts it up, I'll claim bodily injury and sue him for all he's worth. When you're good, you're me.
That can't be good.
Ow! What are you trying to do to me, Woodpecker? Oh, you fractured my subtubula. Oh, and my entire upper thorax is numb.
What were you doing under my hood?
I was adjusting your manifold intake. There are problems with it on this model. And this is how I get repaid for my good deed. Oh, the agony. Oh, the pain. I smell a lawsuit. You'll be hearing from my lawyer.
Lawsuit?
And I'll take you for everything you've got.
Now, calm down. I'm sorry. You can come to my house and get cleaned up. I'll make it up to you.
Thanks, sucker. I mean, pal.
Mr. Buzzard, sir, you've been in there for 2 days. I'd like to get in my bathroom sometime.
Have this towel clean.
Eesh.
I put on the only thing I could find while my pants dry.
My suit! Now you listen here, bub. I've taken care of you, and you look just fine to me now. It's time to hit the bricks.
Oh, Woodpecker, I'm barely over my bodily trauma, and now you're causing me all this emotional turmoil. Which is only gonna cost you more in the lawsuit.
No, forget I said anything.
All right, then. It's settled. I'm gonna have to stay a while longer.
Okay, but there's new rules. Stay out of my clothes, and whatever you eat, you replace.
Sure. You're the boss.
I've got a golf game.
Oh?
Looks good enough to eat, especially to a stupid woodpecker. Ah.
Man, that's pretty.
Oh, boy. There's nothing like steak and cake. Hey! Looks moist and chewy. That does it! Hey, get out here! We need to talk.
I'm on the phone here. And I gotta finish my pedicure.
I'm not standing out here all night.
Coulda fooled me.
This isn't your house, you know.
But it's my bathroom.
Get out of there now. I have needs.
I gotta go, Olaf. Call me back later. Collect.
Who's so important in Denmark you have to talk to them all night long?
No one special. I just love the sound of the Danish language.
Ah! My bathroom! Completely destroyed!
Yeah, you better get that toilet fixed. I'm having a party tonight. Ow! You can't make me leave. I got my rights. If you hit me, you'll go to jail for cruelty to animals.
What?
Forget the lawsuit. We're talking life in prison. I'm an endangered species, you know.
Jail?
You're no good, no paying deadbeat!
Hiya, buddy.
That's how I deal with deadbeat tenants like you!
Then have I got a tenant for you?
Now to get back to my bath.
Oh, allow me. I'll just take you back to your tub and run you some fresh, hot water. Here, give your Danish friend a call.
I will.
Bye-bye.
Möchten kann lieben Vincent. Come in.
Well, Buzz, I'm off to play on the Pro Tour. I've sold the house. And the new landlady says she knows you. You remember Ms. Meanie, don't ya?
No, not her. Please, no, no.